Hi, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 6R and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to always on display section. Just to activate this feature, we should first click on the right upper corner on the settings icon and then click here to the switcher to activate it. If you want to change here the shown time, the start and the end time of the always on display, you can make it here. And just if you want to switch the duration of the AOD time, you can also just change it here from 5 minutes to 60. So now just let's lock our smartphone and we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.